Hello there. Today is the first of a weekly video I should be making to show you what we have, work we're currently having at Nosvw, long-term projects, short-term projects, just the sort of day-to-day runnings of the business really. So here is the first project I've started on today. It is a Land Rover Defender door. I do a lot of these for a local company. This is one of the employees. He provides the door bottoms. They're pretty good. Like most panels, you've got to do a bit of fettling. As you can see, I've bent the bottom skin out and removed the old panel. I've got it tacked in and pretty close. I've just got to butt weld some little sections in and clean it all up and paint it. And then we seal this panel here. Was originally bonded on the bottom, so we rebond that back on with some tiger seal, and comes up pretty good. I've also this week, the beginning of the week, well, it started last week, wax-soled this really nice T4. Check that out. The guy's spent an absolute fortune. He loves it to bits. He's had some special wheels made for it. The chassis has been notched to get it this low. He spent an absolute fortune on the paint, as you can see. It's a VR6, which you don't see many these days. Most are obviously diesel. Yeah, really nice van. You should be well proud of it. So yeah, I've obviously you can't see because it's so low. Black wax soled it, and I'm just leaving it here to let it a few more days to let the wax dry off before he collects it. Yeah, check that out. It's really nice. I like the front. It's low, but not crazy low. Low enough. He still hit the splitter on the way here to deliver it to us. But as you can see, we work on an array of vehicles from T4s, T5s, but obviously majority the old stuff really. And we have this really nice T25 high top in. This is in for my brother had to fit a fuel pump to it because it wouldn't start, so that's all working now. And now I've got to MOT it, check it over and MOT it. It was restored by Gavin Brown probably about 2-3 years ago. Did a fantastic job because it was pretty rough, to be honest, but yeah, it's held out well. It's looking really good still. I like the styling they've gone for with the knobbly style tyres on the 14-inch wheels and the truck mirrors, so it looks very off-roady. So the plan is to get that in tomorrow, check it over, and then get it around to the MOT test station. But we shall be keeping you, trying to do at least one video a week on what's going on, maybe 2 if we're lucky, or some weeks we may get too busy to keep you updated, but there we go. Keep your eyes peeled. Thank you for watching.